Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Chris Underwood, artist from Windsor, Ontario, and in this week's video, I'm going to be working in my sketchbook.
She's got me upside down again, just like a roller coaster, never want it over now. And
this is an ongoing series where I work in my sketchbook, the Sketchbook Project, where I just fill it out, take you guys along on the adventure, and show you each page as I progress. There's no real direction, it's just whatever comes to mind, I just scribble down. I work with a ballpoint pen to force myself to stick with the lines that I put down, and it adds a little bit of a challenge to it. This really forces my creativity and makes me think a little harder. I'm excited, so let's jump into it. Okay guys, this is a pretty good warm-up. Nothing too exciting here. Got some good textures going, but let's move on to a new page. Okay guys, this turned out pretty cool, pretty happy with it. I don't know why, but I just draw so creepy, just all the time. I love it personally. I get a lot of comments in my DMs about why do I draw so creepy and stuff, and personally, it's just a personal preference. I find it easier to draw. I find beautiful things harder. I like drawing creepy things. I like trying to get that emotion out of my pieces. I also like trying to include the contrast of it being creepy with sometimes cartoony elements, and I think it strikes a different chord with people. But with this piece specifically, I really like the flow that I have going here. Like, it kind of swoops around and then you got things pointing out. I really enjoy these muscle tendons almost coming out. Been watching a lot of Attack on Titans lately, and I think that's what inspired that. I also have all these little holes in the face as if you can call it that. There are some teeth and stuff, but this thing is creepy. I am happy with the individual shading in certain areas, but the overall lighting doesn't really speak through. It comes off a little flat. I could push it so that you could really tell the light is coming from the top, and down here would be darker. But for a quick entry into my sketchbook, I am very happy with it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's come over from my Instagram. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day and checking out this YouTube channel. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the videos, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I put out a new video every week. If you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see improved in the video, or if any fan art that you would like me to do, leave them in the comments below because I do read them. The last fan art was suggested by Maddie, and it was an awesome one. I was really happy to do it, and more like that, please. Alright, see you guys in the next one.